Hello and welcome to Cliff Williams, Independent Optician in Kirkcaldy, Fife, Scotland. I'm Cliff Williams and today I'd like to show you some of the things that you can do with the ZEISS ZEISS 6000 and Forum. This is the command centre that all of the ZEISS equipment feeds into, allows us to review all the images, including the ZEISS 6000, which is our latest addition. Scans very quickly indeed, and it feeds back into ZEISS Forum. So we can now look for Rich's scans that we did when he was up to see us. And here are all the scans from all the different machines, the Claris 500, the Humphrey, the ZEISS 6000 as well. These are the Claris 500 ultra-wide images that we're looking at, and you can zoom in, pick up any detail that you wish to for right and left. Then we can go and we can access macular thickness analysis and have a look at the scans from the OCT. We've already merged the Claris 500 picture with the ZEISS so that we can then flick between them. We're now looking at advanced RPE analysis. We can go through all of the layers and analyse that in detail on the screen. Next up are raster scans. So we can show you how we can merge the Claris 500 wide image with the raster scans. Automatically registers, and now we can flick between the fundus image and the raster scans and have a look at anything in detail that may be attracting our attention. Look at any one of the 21 raster scans that we've taken. Next we want to go and look at angiography analysis from the ZEISS 6000, and again we've merged it with the Claris 500 images already. We're going to bring in the vessel and the perfusion, and we can flick between those at the top. We can go down through the layers. We can also fade between the OCT scan and the fundus image. Now we're going to have a look at some documents and how that you can look at a variety of things on the one screen. So here we've got a visual field and an anterior chamber analysis. These are PDF reports. It makes for a very quick review, especially in a consulting room. You don't have to load up the whole data. Now we're loading up angiography of the macula, the disc, and a fundus image, and we can then flick through them and decide what we're looking at and if there's any pathology that requires further investigation. And we can also ask it to run automatically, and we can have RNFL analysis, visual field, and the disc on the one screen again. The next thing that we can do is we can create a structure and function report. We can decide what detail we want to bring in. So we're going to bring in the visual field results for both eyes, and then we're going to select the optic disc scans, the macular cube scans, and we can decide which fundus image we're going to bring in to the report. You can choose as you wish between any that are taken on the same day. And we're now going to create the report. And here you have structure and function, visual fields at the top, normative data details. This can be made into a PDF for exporting and sending in to the hospital eye service or a consultant without using lots of data.